Namaste. Welcome to Jyoti Trataka, a yogic Kriya meditation. This is Aisha, taking the honor of being your guide through this spiritual journey. Trataka aligns your entire system so that your body, mind, and emotions function in harmony. Kindly follow the few given guidelines that will set optimal conditions and greatly enhance your receptivity of the practice. Make sure you are sitting in a dark room with the lit candle kept right in front of you. I invite you to sit in Sukh Asana, the cross-legged meditative posture. Make sure your spine is straight, elongated, and maximum part of your body is touching the ground. Your shoulders are comfortable and loose. Your chin should be kept parallel to the ground. Gently stretch your back and make sure that natural lumbar curve is formed in your lower back. Take mudra of your choice, whatever resonates with you in the present moment. Drop all your plans for the day. Nothing is more important right now. Slowly, gently, cultivate a sense of detached observation. Be calm and still. Gently bring your awareness to your eyes. Close them meditatively, bringing your awareness inwards. Give yourself permission to let go and experience just being. Being is your true nature. Allow yourself to rest your awareness on right now. Experience being relaxed and free from all distractions, as if your mind is turned off. This is a good time to make a commitment, a resolve, a sankalpa, which will help you to keep your attention 1.8 throughout the practice. You may say mentally, I will keep my awareness 1.8 throughout the practice. Or you may choose to say, nothing is more important right now. You may say, this is my sacred appointment with myself. Whatever your sankalpa is, repeat it thrice internally and stick to it throughout the practice. Whatever thoughts come and go in your mind at this point, simply observe them as if from a distance. Allow your relaxed awareness to rest on your breath without any manipulation, without any judgment. Be an observer of your natural, spontaneous breath. Be here, now, as an observer of your breath. Be a silent observer of your breath. Observe each inhale and exhale as they arise without trying to control it. Just know your breath the way it is. If it is shallow and short, just know that my breath is short and shallow. If your breath is long and deep, just know my breath is long and deep, without attempting to change it. Be in this moment. Say yes to this moment with your breath. Explore and connect with the space around you using your senses. Allow yourself to settle in this space, noticing how you relate to the room. Sense the temperature of the air in the room. How does the air feel on your skin? Is it humid or dry? Allow yourself to rest your awareness on the right now, on this breath. Melt any tension you are holding. Continue to breathe in and out of your nose, observing cool air coming in and warm air leaving out. As your body is still now, you can observe that your mind is still as well. Allow each breath settling you more deeply in this present moment. You are visualizing your body sitting in the room or wherever you are sitting. Observe the length of each breath cycle. Notice the gap between two respiratory cycles. You can see deep silence in that gap. A blank, silent space between the two breaths is leading you to infinity. You are acknowledging this life-sustaining process with an uninvolved observation. By this time, you might have experienced thoughts drifting in this moment of stillness. Softly acknowledge your thoughts, feelings or sensations, and gently bring your awareness back to your breath. You are using your breath as an anchor to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly slide your breath awareness to your throat chakra, your throat center, also known as Vishuddhi chakra, and visualize a light blue aura around your physical body. You are safe within your aura, feeling secured and protected. Be aware of your breath coming in from your throat chakra, your throat center, and leaving from there only. Experience this throat breathing for next few moments. Slowly, mindfully, shift your awareness to your third eye chakra, your eyebrow center, also known as Agya chakra, which is seated between your two eyebrows. Invite each breath in your eyebrow center and exhale from there only. Spend a few moments of Agya chakra breathing. Each inhale is entering your Agya chakra and leaving from there only. Be aware of the body steadiness for a few minutes and keep your body absolutely still throughout the practice. Gently stretch your back and make sure your posture is correct. Open the eyes and gaze steadily at the flame. Try not to blink or move the eyeballs in any way. The awareness should be so completely centered on the flame that body awareness is lost. If the mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the candle flame. When your eyes become tired or begin to water, close them gently. Gaze at the after image of the flame in the space in front of your closed eyes. If the image moves up or down, or from side to side, observe it and try to stabilize it. Stabilize it in the center, right in front of your Agya Chakra. When the image of the flame begins to fade, try to bring it back. When the image can no longer be retained, gently, meditatively, open the eyes and gaze at the flame once more. Keep your gaze steady at the flame. Try not to blink or move the eyeballs in any way. Do not strain, as this will cause tension and the eyes will flicker. The awareness should be completely centered on the flame. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the candle flame. When your eyes become tired, close them gently and start gazing at the after image of the flame in the space in front of your closed eyes. Try to bring the after image in the center, right in front of your Agya Chakra. If the image moves up or down, or from side to side, observe it and try to stabilize it. When the image of the flame begins to fade, try to bring it back. When the image can no longer be retained, gently open the eyes and start gazing at the candle flame once again. Gaze steadily at the flame. Try not to blink. Try not to strain. Your complete awareness is sitting at the candle flame. Your awareness is completely centered on the flame. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the practice. When your eyes become tired or begin to water, close them gently. Gaze at the after image of the flame. Visualize the after image of the flame in the space in front of your closed eyes. Keep gazing at the after image of the candle flame. When the image can no longer be retained, let it fade slowly, slowly, and be aware of this fading image. Slowly, slowly externalize your awareness by visualizing yourself sitting in the room or the place you are actually sitting in. Start listening to any sounds nearby and acknowledge them. Become aware of your body and mind. Keeping your eyes closed, make some small movements in your body. Drop the mudra and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring that smile of serenity and joy you experienced just now. There is no rush. Whenever you are ready, rub your both palms vigorously for eye cupping thrice and open your eyes while they are still covered with your energized palms. Calling it end of the practice. Namaste.